Have you ever stood in front of an air handling unit and wondered why there are so many valves, gauges, and fittings connected to the chilled water pipes? What is the purpose of the isolation valve? Why is there a Y strainer? What does a balancing valve do? And why do engineers install pressure gauges and temperature gauges on both the supply and return pipes? In this video, we'll explain every major component used in a typical chilled water AHU pipe hookup. We'll cover where each component is installed, what it does, and why it's important for efficient HVAC operation. Whether you're an HVAC technician, MEP engineer, engineering student, or facility manager, this guide will help you understand one of the most important piping assemblies in a chilled water system. Let's begin. What is an AHU chilled water pipe hookup? The chilled water pipe hookup is the piping arrangement that connects an air handling unit cooling coil to the building's chilled water distribution system. Its purpose is to deliver chilled water to the cooling coil, control the water flow, measure pressure and temperature, remove debris from the system, balance water flow, allow maintenance without shutting down the entire system. A properly designed pipe hookup ensures efficient cooling, low energy consumption, and reliable operation. Flow path overview. Before discussing each component, let's follow the chilled water flow. For the chilled water supply line, entering from Union from chilled water return pipeline, T for bypass line, isolation valve, Y strainer, automatic air vent, thermometer, pressure gauge, drain valve, flexible connector, dielectric union, cooling coil. For the chilled water return line, leaving from cooling coil, dielectric union, flexible connector, pressure gauge, thermometer, automatic air vent, T for bypass line, isolation valve, two-way motorized valve, isolation valve, T from bypass line, balancing valve, isolation valve, T from bypass line, union to chilled water return pipeline. This arrangement may vary slightly depending on project specifications, but the operating principles remain similar. Cooling coil. The cooling coil is where heat transfer occurs. Warm return air passes over the coil while chilled water flows through copper tubes, cooling the air before it is supplied to the building. It also removes moisture from the air, helping to control indoor humidity. Chilled water supply line. The chilled water supply line is typically a steel pipe that enters the AHU and is usually connected at the bottom of the AHU. Chilled water return line. The chilled water return line is also typically a steel pipe that leaves the AHU and is usually connected at the top of the AHU. Y strainers. Wire strainers or filters are installed to remove debris from the water, preventing blockages and protecting the coil. Isolation valves. Gate valves or butterfly valves are installed on both the supply and return lines to isolate the AHU for maintenance or repairs. Motorized control valve. Motorized two-way or three-way valves control the flow of chilled water based on temperature requirements. Balancing valve. This valve regulates the flow of chilled water through the AHU, ensuring proper distribution and preventing imbalances in the system. Drain valve. The drain valve is essential for removing water from the cooling coil and piping. Its key functions include routine maintenance, coil replacement, winter shutdown preparation, pressure testing. Pressure gauges. Pressure gauges are used to monitor system pressure, detect leaks, and ensure proper system performance during commissioning and maintenance. Thermometers. They are used to measure the water temperature entering and leaving the AHU's coil, ensuring the system operates within desired parameters and maintains indoor comfort. Automatic air vent. An automatic air vent in an air handling unit (AHU) is vital for improving performance by removing trapped air from the chilled or hot water system, ensuring optimal operation and enhancing HVAC efficiency. Flexible connectors. These are used on both the supply and return lines to reduce vibration and noise transmission from the AHU to the piping system. Unions. These fittings serve to connect and disconnect sections of piping, particularly for maintenance or replacement purposes, without needing to cut or unscrew the entire pipe run. How all the components work together. Let's summarize the operation. Chilled water enters through the chilled water supply pipe. The flexible connector absorbs vibration. The isolation valve allows maintenance isolation. Temperature and pressure are measured. The Y strainer removes debris. The control valve adjusts water flow. The cooling coil cools and dehumidifies the air. The balancing valve ensures the correct flow rate. Water exits through the chilled water return pipe. Air vents remove trapped air, while drain valves support maintenance. Together, these components create a reliable, efficient, and maintainable chilled water system. Understanding the chilled water AHU pipe hookup is one of the most valuable skills for HVAC engineers and technicians. Each valve, gauge, and fitting has a specific purpose. Removing or incorrectly installing just one component can affect system performance, energy efficiency, and maintenance. If this video helped you better understand AHU pipe hookups, please give it a thumbs up, follow, subscribe, and share it with your colleagues. What topic would you like to see next? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next HVAC engineering video.